Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. This is part 2 of Kutch Work Neck Design 4. Here we will start filling from the same point where we have completed the outlining, again using 4 strands of thread. First we will do the filling from the outer side, and in the next step we will do the inner circle. It's very simple and easy, just to fill the small clusters as shown in my previous videos. One up and one down rule has to be followed while filling, as you can see. You can also do filling with different color thread, but here I am using the same color thread. If you like my videos, please share it with your friends and family so that if your outline part is correct, you can easily fill the pattern, else you will find difficulty in filling. So focus on first to make the correct outline. Filling is a very easy part. Now we are doing the last cluster, and after that the lower part filling will be started. Starting from that point, now we will proceed on the lower side, or you can say the inner side, and do the last step of this motif. This way we have to complete the inner circle. Now quickly showing you how to do the inner flower. We are using lazy daisy stitches. 4 stitches have to be taken, and in the center we will stitch a pearl or bead. Here I am showing you how to make corner. Actually we are trying to make sharp corners so that the neck shape is visible clearly. Here I am using bead stitch, 2 stitches, and then a bead of pearl has to be attached. This is how bead stitch can be made. Do not stretch the thread so much. Now making the corner. one bead stitch and then another one, and pearl has to be attached. This way we have to make the outline of whole neckline. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Please share it. Thank you.